So here we are, still on the Lattice booth, or back on the Lattice booth, with Mark, and now we're looking at MIPI connectivity. So you've got a display here with 4 different cameras, 4 different views, so what's happening?
Yeah, so on the counter here you can see the Embedded Vision Design kit,
Right.
and it's a stacked module. The top has the sensors on there. In this case we have 4 cameras, 4 Sony image sensors that we are bridging all together onto a single MIPI interface, doing the image signal processing, and then outputting over HDMI up onto the display. So we're showing off our MIPI signal aggregation and bridging kinds of solutions.
And where would someone use this type of technology? What sort of end applications would you be looking for this?
Yeah, so obviously any kind of multi-camera situations where you need to have lots of different views that you want to send over and you want to get information. Maybe you could be running video analytics on each one of these channels, or you're running a robot and you want to have a 360-degree view, lots of different areas. And what we do is we're normally the front end where we are bridging a lot of different MIPI interfaces to different sensors into a companion chip like an SoC or something like that, that then does processing or transmission and things like that.
All right, wonderful, thank you.
Thank you.